everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. It's 11:30 in the morning and I just came back from grocery store. Now there is no way absolutely we can avoid it, right? At some point we had to go, so I think I went to grocery store after a couple of weeks now. So I went to Wegmans, Target and Walmart. Now Walmart, actually I was trying to avoid it, but eventually I had to go there. Kids were asking for the Mexican food from last few days and I didn't have all the ingredients, and I know Wegmans doesn't carry it, only Walmart carries that, the things that I was looking for. So first I thought, let me just try at the Target and see if they have it. If they don't have it, of course I had to go to Walmart, and yes, they didn't have it, so I end up at the Walmart too. So from Wegmans I pick up just a few basic things like milk, cheese, bread and all that. And one thing, I'm not sure all grocery stores are doing it or not, but I really appreciate what Wegmans is doing right now is, they have a shopping cart. So when the customer leave the shopping cart outside, they bring it inside and they clean the entire cart. Also, they hand you the wipes if you want to clean it by yourself. And inside the store where the freezer section is, there were constantly people cleaning the handle as well as the glass door. And the main thing that I really like it is in the self-checkout section. Once the one customer leave after scanning their thing and all that, then the cashier goes and she clean out every single thing and then she let the other customer come. So I was like, that's really nice. I really appreciate what they were doing. And Target and Walmart, basically they just had the wipes out there, so you can help yourself, you can clean it by yourself if you want it, but that's how the Target and the Walmart was. So from Target, let me show you what I got. So I guess this is the new brand, or of course it is new to me. I never heard about this, but I have never seen this at the Target even. It is Flamingo Razor and I heard really good reviews about it. So I thought, let me try it and see how it is. So I'll report back to you guys, but it seemed like very promising. So I thought, let me try one. And also guys, if you have a young kids at home, like a babies, and if you are looking for the diapers as well as the wipes, Target has tons of them. So you can buy it from there, because I know last time when I went there everything was gone, but today when I went there they have like all the sizes and everything is available. So I pick up one, not like one, I pick up one box. The one box has like 500 wipes in it, so I got one entire box. Also I got this Santee's face scrub, and I usually keep one scrub down here, one up there, upstairs bathroom, and it's all depend on my mood. Sometime at night time if I want to clean my face up here, I have something up here, but not like I have something different down here, something different upstairs, and I'm constantly changing my face wash. So I have used this one before, so I thought, let me just get this, because at this point when I go to grocery store, I'm in and out. I'm not spending too much time there at all. So I pick up one of this, and also I need to get one of the cleaners. So this time, and of course, they didn't have like all varieties and selection over there. So this one is from Method. This is the multi-purpose, and it's an apple scent, so I can use it here on the counter and everything. So now what I do basically is every single night I wipe down everything and with the disinfectant wipes. And also I'm gonna share with you guys how I clean my vegetables. So for that I use the vinegar. So that I'm gonna show you how I clean it, but the moment I get all the vegetables, I clean it now with the vinegar. So that I'm gonna show it to you. So basically that's it. That's all I got it. But oh yes, I totally forgot this. Today is the first day of Chaitri Navratri. So happy Navratri to all of you. If you are, let me know how many of you keep fast. I haven't ate anything, so I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep fast or not, but definitely tonight I'm making something really special. because today is also my dad's death anniversary by the Gujarati calendar wise, because the day he passed away, that was the first day of Chaitri Navratri. So if you see it that way, today is the anniversary. By date wise, it's coming next month. So of course it's the first day of Navratri. I'm gonna make something special, and what I'm gonna keep it very simple. So today I'm planning to make aloo matar sabji, and this aloo matar sabji I don't think so I have ever shared on this channel before. It's very basic, but I'm gonna make it in a pressure cooker, so it will not take that much time. As well as I'm making puri and the mango cream salad. And guys, you need to try this mango cream salad. So it is so easy to make, and for that other reason I had to go to Wegmans to get few of the ingredients. But it is very easy to make. It doesn't take that much time, and now the mango will be in the season. And in this one actually I'm not gonna use the fresh. You can use the fresh mango, but I have the frozen pulp, so that's what I'm gonna use. So I have, like I say, it's only 11:30. I'm gonna hurry up and prepare kids lunch, and then I'm also gonna start making dinner around 2 o'clock, because now my husband usually come home early, so I want to make sure that before he comes dinner is ready. Not that we eat dinner early now, but still, I just want to make sure that dinner is ready. And of course ये जो भी खाना बनाऊंगी भगवान को पहले भोग लगाऊंगी, उसके बाद हम खाएंगे. But just because आज नवरात्रि का पहला दिन है, पापा की एनिवर्सरी है, तो कुछ तो अच्छा बनना ही चाहिए. So that's it. That's all I'm gonna make. And yes, let me share that recipe with you guys, which I didn't share it in my last video. So sorry, somehow it stopped recording. But I'm gonna share that quinoa recipe with you guys. It is easy to make, and you can make quinoa just like we make rice. Also, you can add any kind of vegetables that you like, and it is super healthy. So I'm gonna share that recipe. And also, first of all, let me just hurry up and make something for kids, and then I'll see you guys at dinner time. So before I start with the recipe, let me first share with you how I clean my vegetables. So first thing I do is, as soon as I get it from supermarket, I wash the vegetable with the hot water. And I'm not sure if camera is picking up or not, but the steam is coming out from water. It is so hot that I cannot even hold the tomato properly in my hand. But after washing it properly, I transfer that into this pot. This one has a vinegar water. So basically you want to take 1 part of vinegar to 3 part warm water. I'm gonna keep the vegetables in there for about 10-15 minutes and then just let it air dry. The other thing which I do nowadays is I don't bring the grocery inside the house. I keep it in the garage, empty out everything over there, bring the grocery inside, but then I let the plastic bag go in the garbage. And the other thing, you want to make sure that anything that comes in the cardboard box, do not bring it inside the house, because the germs stay on that box for up to 3 days. So for that reason, earlier when I showed you the wipes, it comes in the box, so I let the box go and bring the wipes inside the house. And as you can see behind the tomato, I do have some wipes there. Those are the disinfectant wipes, and that wipes is everywhere right now in my house. So precaution is everything, so make sure you take care of yourself as well as other. And now let's start with the recipe. So as I mentioned before that I'm gonna share the quinoa recipe, but that recipe I will keep it for some other video, because today is a special day and what I'm making is also special, so I don't want to combine too many recipes in one video. So first of all, let's start with the sabji. So here I'm making the aloo matar sabji. This is very simple sabji. I'm gonna make it in a pressure cooker. So first of all, I need to peel the skin of potato, and then we're gonna chop it in the small cubes. So here in the pressure cooker, I do have about tablespoon oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm adding some mustard seed. Once the mustard seed crackle, adding some asafoetida, that is the hing, as well as the whole red chilies.
And next I'm gonna add some green chilies. Now green chili is up to you. If you don't want it, you don't have to, but it gives really good different taste to the sabji. Next I'm adding some green peas. Now these are the frozen one, and I'm gonna let this saute for about a minute or so. And next I'm adding some grated ginger. Again, it is up to you. If you don't want it, you don't have to, but it's gonna give really that nutty flavor to the sabji. And then I'm gonna add some chopped potato in here. After mixing all this properly, next I'm gonna add all the dry spices. So first of all, haldi powder, red chili powder, and dhania jeera powder, that is the coriander cumin powder. And of course, nothing tastes better if there is no salt in it, so I'm adding salt to taste as well as the chopped tomatoes. And since we are adding the tomatoes, I'm gonna add just a little bit water, not too much, because tomato is also gonna ooze out some water, and we basically want to just cover the vegetable. That's all the water we needed. Mix everything, cover that, wait until one whistle, and that's it. Your sabji is all done. And you can garnish that with the cilantro, as well as if you want, you can just add a little bit of Kitchen King masala. That is totally optional, but just believe me guys, do try this recipe because it looks simple, but it tastes really good. And this is the perfect time for me to share this recipe because nowadays we do have some limitation when it's come to vegetables. So this is all these vegetables, they are really basic, and you can make this recipe in no time. So definitely try this. And the other reason I'm sharing this recipe is because this sabji was my dad's favorite sabji, and the dessert recipe which I'm about to share with you guys, that is also my dad's favorite dessert. So let's start now with the dessert recipe. So here I'm making mango cream salad. So for that I do have the whipped cream. Now if you're in India, you can use the Amul cream. I think that is the same as this one. And next I'm gonna add some mango pulp. Now I add about 1 cup of mango pulp in here. And if you have the fresh one, of course you can make the pulp out of it. You can add that. I did not have the fresh one, so I'm adding the frozen one. And if your mango is not sweet enough, then also you can add some powdered sugar in here. I did not add any powdered sugar because we don't like overly sweet, and my mango pulp was sweet enough, so I didn't have to add any sugar in here. And this technique called folding technique, you don't want to mix all this, because if you mix it, then the fluffiness from the cream will not be there and it just doesn't look nice. So basically you want to fold it, and then after that any kind of fruits that you like, you can add it in here. Also you can add some nuts. I did not add any nuts, but you can add it. You can garnish this with the nuts also, and then that's it. You can serve this just like that. But you guys know me, I like to always do some extra. So I do have those small cups, and I'm gonna first drizzle some mango pulp in here and then just add mango cream in there. Keep it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes before you serve it, and that's it. Our mango cream salad is also done. That also doesn't take that long to make it, and on my channel I always try to come up with a recipe that doesn't require us to be in the kitchen for a long time. So again, this recipe is also my dad's favorite recipe. He loves this mango cream salad so much, and even in general, you know, he was always the sweet kind of person. He always loved his sweets and dessert and all that. So this is it, friends. I'm serving this with the puri as well as the papad, and yes, I also made some rice. So here I'm making puri, and that's it. That was our dinner. And of course, after I made all this, I went to puja room and भगवान को पहले भोग लगाया, उसके बाद ही हमने खाना खाया. So I hope guys you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys and stay home, and बस ऐसे ही अच्छी अच्छी रेसिपी बनाओ और अपनों को खिलाओ. And keep watching my videos. That's it. That's all I have to say. Take care, guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.